We believe that transportation is at the cusp of a major transformation.
And Carnegie Mellon University is at the forefront, researching cutting-edge methods to make transportation safer and pioneering next-generation ways to help people get around in smart cities.
If we have better information about these needs, we can better plan and allocate resources in a smarter way, thereby allowing for the city to better deliver its services.
It's all being done through two university initiatives, TSET.
TSET is an acronym which stands for Technologies for Safe and Efficient Transportation. TSET is a university transportation center sponsored by the US Department of Transportation, looking at technologies for making transportation safe and efficient.
And Traffic 21.
Traffic 21 is literally a baby born out of the vision of a local philanthropist in Pittsburgh named Henry Hillman. He actually seeded Traffic 21 with a very generous grant. It's not just about thinking big ideas, solving big problems. We want to come up with solutions that are practical and useful to the normal person who does not care about the technology.
Tiramisu in Italian means pick me up. And so it's a perfect name for an app like this. So a rider who uses an iPhone or an Android will get on the bus, say where they are going, which bus they're on, and they'll say how full the bus is. They'll then start tracing. That trace is then used by our system to generate information for people downstream on the bus ride. Crowdsourcing is when the community each contributes information that helps the community as a whole. We're using crowdsourcing to allow the community to generate information.
When the faculty here at CMU proposed that this would be an excellent use of crowdsourcing technology to try to get real-time information to riders, we were all on board. That's what riders are interested in. If you start planning your day around that information and saying, well, okay, the bus is going to be another 15 minutes, I can get a cup of coffee, and the bus shows up in 7 and you missed it, not a particularly effective way to win friends. Every month we're seeing more and more subscribers using Tiramisu, and the more people we have using it, the more reliable, the more current the information is going to be.
It senses the actual traffic in front of the lights and then uses that information to decide how to allocate the green around to achieve the most effective flow. We found that in comparison to the pre-existing fixed traffic control plans that were being used, we achieved 25% reductions in average travel times through the grid, 40% reduction in weight, and projected 20% reduction in emissions due to reduced fuel consumption.
Less than 8 months after these guys started working on it, it's out there operating in the field. Without this technology, there's no solution out there in the world currently that would allow us to deal with the problems that we have in East Liberty. And so for us, it's great. We're getting the benefit of one of our strongest institutions immediately deployed. This is our chance to jump 20 years ahead of really any other location in the world.
%93 of accidents on the roads are due to human error. Humans can get distracted, computers do not have the problem. So we have been putting our quote-unquote our lives in computers' hands for quite some time. All that we are trying to say is that if computers can fly a plane, they should be able to actually drive a car as well. As humans and the legal system become more comfortable with it, there will be no driver's seat. You can turn around and basically have an ongoing lively chat with your family or your colleagues in the car. So that's the goal. By 2020, we will have the technologies to make this happen.
In this day of tight dollars, we have to be looking to efficiencies of technology, and what Carnegie Mellon has done with the adaptive signal technology in small urban networks, I think will be applied statewide and beyond the borders of Pennsylvania nationally.
It's part of the DNA at CMU, is really taking on real problems and really doing research that has impact on society